Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 4th of September. Heading out this morning. I've got transfers in Stratford, so I'm dropping off kids at school on the way. All 5 kids back at school today. It's great, back to normality. Right, get this car organised, get everyone loaded in and get out of here. Have fun at school. Have fun, Kira. I'm in Stratford, all kids are dropped off at school. I can head round and pick our client up now. A little bit early though. Doesn't matter, she'll be ready and we'll get her to the hairdressers. I've got our client in at her hair appointment. She's only going to be in there for about 45 minutes, which is not very long. I'm heading across now to book our van in for its servicing. Hopefully they get this in the next few weeks, get this van back on the road and using it. Well, transfers are done. Not the most productive day in town, it was only a short appointment. Got the van booked in for next week, which is awesome. Got some emails done, phone calls done, and that was about it really. So heading back to the house now. Think we're going to go feed some silage out this morning and then hopefully onto some rolling of some paddocks this afternoon. So it'll be good to get outside in the sunshine because the weather is supposed to turn to custard from now on. So it could be an inside week, which I'm not looking forward to. I like being outside, it's been great the last few days. Anyway, home time now. Well, I'm back. Successful trip to town, transfers done. Inside and finish my thermos of coffee now. Good early bit of lunch. Now we're going to go and feed some silage out. I'm not sure if we have to fix the bale feeder still or if Mike said he fixed it yesterday, so we'll find that out very soon. Well, that's most of the silage done. I have to go and unload some milk powder or something for the neighbour across the road. Never met these neighbours, so we'll get a chance to meet them now. Well, silage is done. Fill up with diesel and get ready to do some rolling. Get the tractor set up for that. But coffee first. I don't know what that is.
Oh, the neighbours seem alright.
Yeah. 10 to 4, time to pick some kids up. Had a brief shower of rain, but it didn't really come to anything. Hopefully it stays away for a bit longer. Oh, car's already dirty. This weather's not looking the best, but we might get half an hour in at least, eh?
Yeah.
It's cold and horrible.
Well, it's not actually that cold.
I think it is, just feels bad because I've been sitting on the computer for the last half an hour.
One day's showers, one day's rain, one day's showers. Forget the showers days.
Showers is okay.
Mm.